Next problem. Find the equation of the circle. Find the equation of the circle. Find the equation of the circle passing through passing through 2 comma 0 and whose center is and whose center is the and whose center is the limit of the point of intersection of the lines 3x plus 5y is equal to 1 and 2 plus c into x 5c square into y is equal to 1 as c tends to 1 find the equation of the circle passing through 2 comma 0. Find the equation of the circle. Circle passing through 2 comma 0. Circle passing through 2 comma 0. Suppose center 1 comma 2. Center 1 comma 2. How to calculate radius? Distance between center and any point on the circle is equal to radius. Distance is equal to radius. First calculate radius. First calculate center. But center is the limit of the point of intersection of the lines. First calculate point of intersection of these two lines and c tends to 1, we get center. Students, center is the limit of the point of intersection of the lines as c tends to 1. First point of intersection of these two lines and taking c tends to 1, we get center. First point of intersection and applying c tends to 1, we get center. Next, for circle, next calculate radius. Radius is equal to distance between center and any point on the circle. First calculate point of intersection of these two lines. First point of intersection of these two lines. Okay. Point of intersection. So point of intersection these two lines is equal to 5 minus 1 yc xy 5 minus 1 3 5. Second line 5c square minus 1 next 2 plus c 5c square x by y by 1 by x by is equal to AD minus BC minus 5 plus 5c square y by minus 2 minus c plus 3 1 by 3 into 5 15c square minus 10 minus 5c. Point of intersection x by, I'm taking 5 common, 5 into c square minus 1 y by 3 minus 2 1 minus c 1 by taking minus 5 common minus 5 here taking 5 common 3c square minus c minus 2. Okay. First x is equal to 5 into c square minus 1 by 5 into 3c square minus c minus 2. 5 get cancelled. Okay, x is equal to, first x is equal to c square minus 1. C square minus 1 is equal to c plus 1 into c minus 1 by x is equal c plus 1 c minus 1 by find factors 3c square minus 6c minus 6 minus 3c plus 2c minus 2, that is equal c plus 1 into c minus 1 by, and taking common 3c into c minus 1 plus 2 into plus c 2c minus 2, 2c minus 2, taking 2 common c minus 1, that is equal c plus 1 into c minus 1 by 3c plus 2 into c minus 1. So c minus 1 get cancelled. X is equal c plus 1 by 3c plus 2. Limit c taking c tends to 1. So c tends to 1, x is equal to c tends to 1. Applying already question given, c tends to 1, c tends to 1, c substitute place of 1 plus 1, 2 by 5. So x is equal to 2 by 5. Next, y is equal to y is equal to 1 minus c by 1 minus c by y is equal to 1 minus c by 5 into 3c square minus c minus 2 is equal to factors 3c plus 2 into c minus 1. Okay, already calculate 3c square minus c minus 2 is equal to 3c plus 2 into c minus 1. I'm taking minus common, c minus 1 by 5 into 3c plus 2 into c minus 1. So c minus 1 get cancelled. This is why c tends to 1, y is equal to minus 1 by c tends to 1, 3 plus 2, 5 into 5, 25. Therefore, center is 2 by 5, comma, minus 1 by 25. So center is 2 by 5, comma, minus 1 by 25. So center radius. Equation circle formula x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So center is equal to 2 by 5, comma, minus 1 by 25. Center is, but circle passing through 2 comma 0. Center is 2 by 5, comma, minus 1 by 25. Next, calculate radius. Radius is equal to CA. Distance is equal to radius, root of distance between 2 points for 2 minus 2 by 5 whole square plus 0 plus 1 by 25 whole square. Center. Next, calculate radius. That is equal to root of 2 minus 5 into 10, 10 minus 2, 8, 8 by 5 whole square, 64 by 25 plus 1 by 25 whole square, 1 by 625. I'm taking LCM, 625. 64 into 25. Here 64 into 25, 1600 plus 1. So radius is equal to root of 1601 by 625. This is radius. Radius is equal to. So center radius, circle equation formula x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Next circle equation. Center h comma k, x minus h whole square, x minus 2 by 5 whole square plus y minus k whole square minus or minus plus y plus 1 by 25 whole square is equal to r square 1601 by 625. 1601 by 625. X minus 25 whole square, x square plus 4 by 25 minus 2ab minus 4x by 5 plus y square plus 1 by 625 plus 2ab plus 2y by 25 minus 1601 by 625 is equal to 0. X square plus y square minus 4x by 5 plus 2y by 25. 4 by 25 plus 1 by 625 is equal to 4 by 25 plus 1 by 625. So LCM is 625. LCM is 625. Here 4 into 25, 100. 100 plus 1. This simplify these two. 101 by 625 plus 101 by 625 minus 1601 by 625 is equal to 0. So next x square plus y square minus 4x by 5 plus 2y by 25 plus LCM is 625, LCM is 625 plus 101 minus 1601, 1500 or minus 1500 by 625 is equal to 0. Minus 1500 by 625. 1500 by 625 is equal to 25 25s, 25 60s. 25 60s, 1500. So this value is 60 by 25. Next, x square plus y square minus 4x by 5 minus 4x by 5 plus 2y by 25. So this value is minus 60 by 25. Minus 60 by 25. Total LCM is 25. 25 x square plus 25 y square. LCM is 25. 5 into 4, 20x minus 20x plus 2y minus 60 is equal to 0. This is the final answer. Question next concept. Different forms of equation of circle. 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 Different forms of next concept. Different forms of equation of circle. When the circle passes through origin, when the circle passes through the origin, when the circle passes through origin 0, 0 and has intercepts 2 alpha and 2 beta on x-axis and y-axis respectively, y-axis respectively. In the first one, when the circle passes through the origin and has intercepts, x-intercept is equal to alpha, y-intercept is equal to beta. In first year geometry, suppose I am taking the point Pxy, the line parallel to y-axis and meet x-axis in M. So OM is equal, Pxy be any point on the plane. So this distance OM is equal x, PM is equal to y. Pxy be any point on the plane, this distance is equal x, this distance is equal y. This is x coordinate, this is y coordinate. Okay. Here, when the circle passes through origin and has intercepts, the OA is equal to alpha. The total distance is equal to alpha. The total distance is equal to beta. A circle passing through origin and x-intercept is equal to alpha, y-intercept is equal to beta. So, circle passing through origin. Okay. Circle passing through origin. This is A, this is B. Circle passing through origin. So this is center. This total distance is equal to alpha. This is 2 alpha comma 0. This is center. This distance is equal. So this distance is equal to alpha. The total distance is equal to 2 beta. So this distance is equal to beta. So this is alpha, this is beta. The point x, the point y, xy, this is alpha comma beta. Center alpha comma beta. Center is equal to alpha comma beta. Next, radius is equal to center alpha comma beta. Radius is equal to the distance between center and any point on the circle is equal to radius. What is this distance is equal to? OC is equal to radius. So OC is equal to radius. Radius is equal to root of 0 minus alpha whole square plus 0 minus beta whole square. So radius is equal to root of alpha square plus beta square. Radius root alpha square beta square, center alpha comma beta. Equation circle is x minus alpha whole square, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So r square is equal to alpha square plus beta square. R is equal to root alpha square plus beta square. R square alpha square plus beta square. X minus alpha whole square x square plus alpha square minus 2 alpha x. Y minus beta whole square y square plus beta square minus 2y beta is equal to alpha square plus beta square. So alpha square get cancelled, beta square get cancelled. Circle equation x square plus y square minus 2 alpha x minus 2 beta y is equal to 0. A circle passing through origin and has intersects 2 alpha comma 2 beta on x axis y axis respectively, then equation of circle is x square plus y square minus 2 alpha x minus 2 beta y is equal to 0. Circle passing through origin, x intercept 2 alpha, y intercept 2 beta. Circle equation x square plus y square minus 2 alpha x minus 2 beta y is equal to 0. Okay, so next model, next one. Second one. When the circle touches x-axis, 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 what is the circle equation? Touches x-axis. When the circle touches x-axis, suppose center is equal alpha comma beta. Center alpha comma beta. Center alpha, I'm taking center alpha comma beta. What is the radius is equal to? Radius is equal to this distance is equal, this distance equal radius. See x, y be any point on the plane. This distance is equal x, this distance equal y. So this distance equal y. Here radius is equal beta. Circle touches x-axis. Radius is equal to center of mod of center of y coordinate. Circle touches x-axis. Radius is equal to mod of center of y coordinate. Center of y coordinate. Students, important point. When the circle touches x-axis, what is the circle equation? When the circle touches x-axis, suppose center alpha comma beta touches x-axis. So this distance is equal to x. This distance is equal to y. So this distance is equal to beta. Here beta is radius of, this is radius of the circle. Here radius is equal to beta. Circle touches x-axis. Radius is equal to center of y coordinate. Suppose the circle touches x-axis. Suppose the circle touches y-axis. Radius is equal to center of x coordinate. Radius is equal to center of x coordinate. Here center alpha comma beta, radius beta. Circle equation is x minus h whole square, x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square is equal to beta square. The circle touches x-axis, then equation of circle is x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square is equal to beta square. Touches x-axis, radius is equal to center of y coordinate. Next, circle touches y-axis. Next, third case, when the circle touches y-axis, 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 this is center. Suppose center alpha comma beta. this distance is equal to radius. This distance is equal to radius. So radius is equal. So C x y be any point on the plane. This distance is equal to x coordinate. This is a radius. Radius is equal to alpha. So touches y axis. Radius is equal to center of x coordinate. So that is equal to center of x coordinate alpha. Radius is equal to alpha. Center alpha comma beta. Radius alpha. Circle equation is x minus h whole square. Here h is alpha, k is beta. X minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square is equal to radius alpha square. Circle touches y axis. Touches x axis, touches y axis. Next case, touches both the axes. Next, when the circle touches both the axes. Next case, touches both the axes. Next one. When the circle touches both the axes. When the circle touches both the axes. Touches both the axes. Touches both the axes. When the circle touches both the axes. So this distance is equal to radius. So this distance also radius. Suppose this alpha, this alpha, this is alpha, this is also radius. This is radius, this is also radius. Suppose this is alpha, this is also alpha. Therefore here center is here. So this distance radius, suppose the radius is equal to alpha, this is also radius. So this is also alpha. So this distance y, this distance x, the point is xy. So center here, center is alpha comma alpha. So touches both the axes, center alpha comma alpha. This is first quadrant alpha comma alpha. Second quadrant minus alpha comma alpha. Third quadrant center minus alpha comma minus alpha. Suppose circle fourth quadrant center is alpha comma minus alpha. Suppose second quadrant center minus alpha comma alpha. Third quadrant center is minus alpha comma alpha. Fourth quadrant center is alpha comma minus alpha. Radius alpha. Radius alpha, center change. Center minus alpha comma alpha. Second quadrant. Third quadrant minus alpha comma minus alpha. Fourth quadrant alpha comma minus alpha. Center alpha comma alpha, radius alpha. Circle equation is x minus h whole square. X minus alpha whole square plus y minus alpha whole square is equal to alpha square. Touches both the axes. Circle equation is. Next. When the circle touches x-axis, and cutoff intercepts on y-axis of length 2L. Here, next case, touches x-axis, intersect y-axis. Here, length of y-intercept is equal to L. Length of y-intercept, 2 root f square minus c is equal to L. Touches x-axis, intersect y-axis. Here, touches x-axis, intersect y-axis. Touches x-axis, intersect y-axis. Intersect y-axis, touches x-axis. Touches x-axis, intersect y-axis. So y, length of y-intercept is equal, the total distance is equal to L. This is L. I'm taking this L. This is center. Suppose center, I'm taking center alpha comma beta. Center alpha comma beta. Center alpha comma beta. Okay. The total distance is equal to L. The total distance is L. Total distance to L. This is L. This is L. Okay. Center alpha comma beta. What is radius? This distance is equal to radius. Radius is equal to center alpha comma beta. Touches x-axis. Radius is equal to center of y coordinates. Radius is equal to beta. Radius beta. This distance also radius. Suppose point. This is point A. This is point. I'm taking this point is B. I'm taking this point is B. Here angle is 90. Angle is 90. This is radius. What is radius? This is beta. This is beta. This is beta. This distance is equal to the total distance. This is x coordinate. This is x coordinate. X coordinate alpha. So this is alpha. Alpha L. This is beta. Apply Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse whole square. Beta square is equal from triangle CBA. Suppose CB. Suppose this is point P. Touches x-axis, intersect y-axis. Intersect y-axis, touches x-axis. Okay. I'm taking center alpha comma beta. Center alpha comma beta. The total distance to L, this is L. See, suppose this is point is P. Suppose I'm taking this point is Q. This point is Q. Touches x-axis, radius is equal to center of y coordinate. Radius is beta. So this distance also radius. This is beta. This is x coordinate. This is alpha. The center is alpha comma beta. Here angle is 90. From triangle CPQ, apply Pythagoras theorem. This is hypotenuse. Beta square is equal to alpha square plus L square. Alpha square plus L square. What is the circle equation? Center alpha comma beta, radius is beta, x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square is equal to beta square. X minus alpha is equal to beta square minus L square is equal to alpha square. Alpha is equal to root of beta square minus L square. So x minus beta square minus L square whole square plus y minus beta whole square is equal to beta square. So circle touches x-axis, intersect y-axis of length 2L. Total length 2L. This is L. This is L.